friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Mathematics. As you know, in earlier video we have discussed the properties of addition and subtraction, and today we are going to discuss the properties of multiplication and division. So let us start. So friends, we have first closure property. You know, in closure property what happens if we multiply, we are seeing for multiplication. So if we are multiplying two integers, we are going to get an integer. So we have two integers, minus 20 and 5. If you are multiplying these two integers, 5 20s are 100. So you have to multiply sign also, minus into plus minus. So this is an integer. So this is closed under closure property, means closure property is closed under multiplication. A into B equals to C. Next one is commutative property. In commutative property, if we change the order, we are going to get the same answer. A into B equals to B into A. So we have two integers here. 3 into minus 4. When we multiply it, 4 3s are 12. So multiply the sign, minus into plus, minus 12. Again we are changing the order, that is B into A. So first we are multiplying here minus 4, then 3. So 3 4s are 12. Again multiply the sign, plus into minus. We are going to get minus. Just check out, is it satisfy or not? So here also we got minus 12. Here also minus 12. So associative property. Associative property says if we are regrouping, we are getting same answer. So here A into B into C. Then A into B into C. First we were multiplying A into B. The product which we were getting, we have to multiply with C. Here the product of B and C, what we'll get, will multiply by 8. So we'll get the same answer. Let us check here. We have one example. Minus 3 into minus 2. The product of these two integers will multiply by 5, and here the product of these two integers will be multiplied by 3. So is it going to be same? Let us check. Here product of these two 3s are 6, and minus into minus plus. So plus 6 we are getting here into 5. Here again 6 into 5, 30. So plus 30. Let us check after regrouping product of these two. 5 2s are 10. So minus 10. Why? Because minus into plus minus 10. Here minus 3 as it is. Now this product will multiply by 3. So 10 3s are 30. Minus into minus is plus. So both the answers are same. So we can say associative property is closed under multiplication. So we have fourth one is distributive property. Distributive property says that the sum of these two, B plus C, is multiplied by A is equals to the product of this A into B plus A into C. When we are opening the bracket here, so we have to multiply this. A will multiply one by one with B and C, and between plus sign is there. So A multiplied by B, so A into B, then next sign is plus. So here you have to multiply the sign, plus into plus is plus, then A into C. So A into C, these both are going to be equal. So let us check here. So we have minus 2 into in a bracket 3 plus 5. So it means the sum of these two is multiplied by A. So this is what B plus C is multiplied by A is going to be the same if we are multiplying 1 by 1. So let us check 3 plus 5. The sum of these two is what? 5 plus 3, 8, and it's minus 2. When we multiply these two, 8 2s are 16. Multiply the sign, minus into plus is what? Minus. So minus 16 we got. If we are opening the bracket, A into B plus A into C. So we are multiplying here first. 3 2s are 6. So minus 6. Why? Because minus into plus is minus. Again plus is there. Again open the bracket. 5 2s are 10. So which 10 you are going to get here? Minus or plus? plus into minus is what? Minus. So minus 10 you will get here. Again you have to multiply the sign here. Minus 6 plus into minus is what? Minus 10. Both are same sign. You have to add. 10 plus 6 is what? 16. And both the sign are same means you have to assign the same sign, that is what? Minus. So this minus 16 and this minus 16 both are same. So you can say distributive property is closed under multiplication. So next one is multiplicative identity. So as you know, in addition, additive identity was 0. When we were adding 0, we were getting the same answer, same as here. In multiplication, its identity is what? 1. When we multiply 1 by any integer, we are going to get the same answer. So 1 is multiplicative identity here and multiplied by minus 6. So its the product is minus 6. And when we are changing the order, 1 into minus 6, you are getting same answer. That is a into 1 equals to 1 into a, that is a, means same answer. So multiplicative identity is what? 1. Next one is multiplication by 0. You know, when we multiply 0 by any integer, we are going to get the 0 only. So 0 multiplied by minus 7. So 0 into minus 7, 0. So a into 0 is equals to 0 into a equals to 0. So this is what? It's just extra properties. Now multiplication by minus 1. What happens when we multiply any integer by minus 1? So we have 13 and 13 is multiplied by minus 1. So you are getting here 13 ones are 13 and plus into minus is what? Minus 13. So just check here, it is minus 13 and we multiplied, we had earlier plus 13. So plus 13 was multiplied by minus 1. That is what? We are getting minus 13. So it's kind of what? Additive inverse. So when we multiply any integer by negative, so we are getting its additive inverse. So it was plus 13, now we got minus 13. So friends, now we'll see the properties of integers for division. Is it going to be closed under division or not? So as you know, first property is closure property. So in multiplication, addition and subtraction, we have seen that if you are adding two integers, we are going to get an integer for multiplication and for subtraction also. Is it satisfied for division also? So let us check. We have two integers, 10 divided by minus 5. So what you will get? How you are dividing whole numbers, you have to divide first like that. So 10 divided by 5. So 5 twos are 10. So quotient is 10. And in this, if you are finding any of integer is negative, from this two, one is what? Negative integer. So you have to assign minus sign. Suppose we have minus 10 and 5 is what? Plus. So you have to assign minus. So that a divided by minus b or minus a divided by b, you have to assign minus in quotient. And if we check for closure property, are we getting the integer if we change the order? Let us check here. Minus 5 divided by 10. It means minus 5 divided by 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. In fraction, you know, we got 1 by 2. Means minus 1 by 2. Is it same? Minus 2 and minus 1 by 2. Here we got a fraction. So we cannot change the property. You can say that properties are not closed under division. Next one, as you have seen here, one of the integer is negative. You have to assign minus sign in quotient. If both the integers are negative, you have to assign plus sign. Minus a divided by minus b. So as usual, how you are divide? A divided by b. But in quotient, you have to assign plus sign. So here both the integers are negative. So 3 twos are 6. Your quotient is 2 and both the integers are negative. So you have to assign plus. So plus, no need to write. So friends, today we have discussed the properties of multiplication, that is closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive properties. These all properties are closed under multiplication and division. There is no property which is closed under division. So friends, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.